The Thailand hay baling machine. This is rice straw. This is pretty new technology around here. This thing seems to be doing a really good job compared to the one I saw a couple years ago. The bales are a normal size and they're nice and tight. The one I saw here before was made it horrible bales. Half of them fall apart, really loose. I don't know who makes this thing. It's made in Thailand. And new technology to this part of the world. They say the bales weigh about 20 kilos. But I noticed they don't rake the straw first, they just drive around and it picks it up wherever it lays. Straight out of the combine. This is getting more and more popular now. This might be the end of the old A-stack. People will be still making A-stacks. Sucks it right in there. But without raking first, you got to do a lot of more driving around, that's for sure. Or it seems like you do. Pretty big bale. I see 22 bales already. They're not done yet. And this just this little piece of land, so that's pretty good. There it comes. Oh, dragging it. Here's a look at the bale. Normal size, like you see anywhere in the world. Not like the little ones that they had before. Okay guys, so that's it. These guys are almost done. That's about 30 bales off of that little piece of land. That's pretty good, I'd say.